Overgrowth of the nightclub. We're a certain species of animals. We've got management. You see them differently, long legs, glasses, and a poncy hat. Yeah, we have a worker at work.
Mark, doing fuck all as usual.
You might as well do it, bro. Yeah.
Shut them doors. Who's open the doors? Eh?
I think it's that door. I can grab one.
It's going to be £12 or £15. £12 for 11 or £15 after. £12 for 11 and £15 of 13.
Did you get hold of Emma Williams?
Yeah.
That's all good. Just not.
As it stands at the minute, it's 3, 1, 2, 2, 1. Sorry, yeah, 1. One bar sport in each room, so flat.
Did you manage to get hold of that other glass collector that might die?
No.
Skillet.
Come on, Corey, stop looking if you're busy, mate.
2 weeks.
Put it off.
Camera.
Let's see it a minute. Let's see it a minute. Go.
It's recording as well.
Fuck you. Video. How not to serve a customer?
How not to serve a customer?
How's your wrist?
Outside with his dodgy camera ring.
Get the fucking fag.
Oh!
See you later then.
See you in a bit, Mark.
I'm not coming in. Actually, no. I will come in.
We've got no staff.
Pissed up.
No staff.
Come on, down Jax.
This is Paddy when he does no work.
This is Paddy working.
I'm walking into Jackson, huh? What does he want?
True.
What's the step? And the door.
Don't fall down the stairs, fucking hell. This is Mr Woodside. What's he doing? Looking at our fucking work that we've done today.
Probably imagine video tip, innit? We do cuddle glasses as well.
Oh yeah.
Glasses.
This is how a bar should look every week.
This is for
Mr Moses and all the bar sport and Ikon and Jaxx. all 2 of them all the time.
This ain't going to an office, is it?
Yeah. This is what my staff do during the day, absolutely sweet FA.
Press the light on and you get fucking rolled. There's a light thing at the top. At the top. No. It says light. Like a
Don't
torch.
keep your finger on it.
You don't have to keep your finger on it.
Alright.
Hey, put them up there.
Cellar lads done their work, leaving their mess behind them.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, sure, that, lovely.
Yeah. Don't worry, we'll get it shifted.
Leaving all this shit on the bar. Even though the bar's shit anyhow. Does it do fast motion?
Dodgy cameraman, isn't he?
Bar sport doing a great job after the weekend. Bing! You look more scary that way. Advertisement.
Yeah. We get pedestrian for that. Go and tango. What are you drinking tonight?
Sponsored by Minstrels.
Mr.
That'd be Mr Bean. Skanky champagne. Can't believe I'm doing this.
Well, don't do it.
Oh, you.
Oh, down here.
Yeah. How do you stop it, by the way? What's up? Me? Right, tell me. Right. Is your phone still working, John?
What? Keep on with it for? I don't know.
Good afternoon, you through the club Ikon. I can help. and cut. Trust me, you'll want to cut. The line your phone.
Yeah. Well, I can't throw it now.
I know, exactly. Hello. Hello. I did. Right, I've got a list of numbers. Mr. Bones. Go. Oh 7-949 264 050. Mr. Tullis was there. Because it stands at the minute, there's 1, 2, 1.
Before.
Stands at the minute.
Afterwards.
Right.
That could be that could be real, that, couldn't it?
Yeah. I'll close the diner, just. Close the diner. Food on demand. Alright,
John.
Alright. Bye bye. Ta-da!
I need them anyway, put them in your phone.
They are saying on there. Why can't we score though? Why? Because there's no shelves up.
Go on, Steve, show him.
Half sir, pint sir. Steve demonstrate.
Have you seen that for fucking dodgy optic pulling up?
We'll get it switched round. Yeah, you're the supervisor. Fix it. Yeah, fix it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've never had that many glasses. Fucking bar. I hear any fucking bar up here sorting it. They better not be on bar too. I'm fucking coming for you.
Are you going to show him now? This is what it should look like, Moses.
Yeah, this is the before New Year's Eve. I'm telling you, swear to God, any fucking accident short glasses come straight.
Good evening. Chris is really fed up with things on the bar.
This is a demonstration how Chris mumbles along with himself when he's stressed out.
Yeah, well.
What?
Just took two.
Yes, so Dave, give us a lift as soon as you're ready, alright?
No.
What?
The machine just took £2 off him.
Fuck it out,
You
no.
get 250 quid a meal now. You've been trying 50 quid.
Dead when I look.
So what y'all think about New Year then? Claire?
Oh, I can hardly wait.
John?
It's going to be a good one again, like last year.
Why did we call it though, 2003? Instead of, like, we had 1998. Why don't we call
Because
it
it
2003?
That's what I thought, but you know, like in a few
Yeah.
years, like in the future, when it's going to be like 2100 or 2150. Yeah.
Right, now you've fucked the
2003.